This is a 4K video. Look at these trees up here. Yeah, I'm coming. Looks like I got 4 or 5 inches of snow. Look how pretty this is here. Wow, amazing. Believe it or not, it's pretty dark out here. It's 5:56 in the evening. It's so pretty. And Derek is enjoying his snowshoes. Wow, it's so pretty. The picture color that you see on screen is pretty close to what I'm seeing with my eyes. Maybe a little bit browner. I do have a screen protector on here too. So. Beautiful hiking up here in the snow. I'm so glad we came back here. I've actually never been up here. Turn around really slowly so you guys can see. Come from. You can barely see Derek up there, huh? That's so cool. Amazing hike. Comes to the road. Maybe this was supposed to be a road for another neighborhood, and it never got built. That's a good question. Actually, that's what it looks like. Looks like they'd planned a second neighborhood up in here, and it never got built. And if you guys look off in the distance, you can see Signal Mountain up there. Let's get a good view of that for you. A bit closer even. There we go. It is snowing a bit. Yep. Alrighty, I had to go catch up with Derek. Hey, I just wanted to say this has been a great day, and I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, like Derek's subscribers and the Kettlehead subscribers, for subscribing and liking and watching our videos. It really means a lot to me, my son, and my wife that you guys enjoy our content and watch it. It's pretty awesome. I hope you guys are all having a great 2025. I know it's been a crazy start. I mean, it did start on WTF. So, just so you know, I'm just saying. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, WTF. And I just want to say my heart goes out to those in, of course, Lahaina, and then also those in California. Oh my gosh, what a crazy thing. And there's my doggy.
Turn around.
Hi, Luna. What do you say, Luna?
I don't know where that trail goes.
Probably off to the road. Probably a deer trail.
No, this has been down.
Oh, yeah?